Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast.
Yes, hello, hello. Come in, sit down, relax, or lie down.
Learning English while lying down feels powerful.
Very powerful. Until you fall asleep.
Yes, don't sleep yet. We have a fun lesson today.
Today's topic, how to talk about your workday in English.
Simple English, A1, A2 level.
Easy, funny, and good for practice.
Ready to start?
Yes, noodle power.
Again, with the noodles.
Noodles help my brain think better.
Let's start with the morning routine.
Yes, the morning. The time when my body wakes up, but my soul is still sleeping.
Same. But let's teach simple English sentences. I wake up at 6 a.m.
I get up at 6:30 a.m.
I take a shower.
I brush my teeth.
I make coffee.
I eat breakfast.
Or,
I don't eat breakfast. I only drink coffee.
many people do that.
Coffee is my breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
That is not healthy.
But it is delicious?
Repeat after us.
Slowly, like a lazy Sunday morning.
I wake up at 7.
I take a shower.
I get dressed.
I eat breakfast.
I drink coffee.
I go to work.
Great job. Now let's talk about going to work.
Yes, the daily adventure.
The journey.
The traffic battle.
Simple sentences first. I go to work by motorbike.
I go to work by bus.
I walk to work.
I drive to work.
I am late for work.
That happens to me a lot.
Why?
My alarm says, no, sleep more.
That is not your alarm. That is you.
Maybe.
Let's do a short, funny story to help learners remember.
Story time.
I wake up late.
I run to the bathroom.
I brush my teeth very fast.
I forget my breakfast.
I forget my wallet.
I forget my brain.
You forget everything.
Yes, but I still go to work. I run like a superhero.
A hungry superhero.
Very hungry.
Now, the main part. Talking about your workday.
Yes, let's use simple sentences.
I start work at 8 a.m.
I check my emails.
I have a meeting.
I talk to my team.
I help customers.
I finish my tasks.
I take a break.
I drink coffee. Again.
Of course you do.
Coffee is my coworker.
Your best coworker.
My only coworker.
Repeat after us. I start work at 9.
I check emails.
I talk to customers.
I have a meeting.
I take a break.
I finish my work.
A. What time do you start work?
B. I start work at 8.
A. What do you do at work?
B. I check emails and talk to customers.
A. Do you take breaks?
B. Yes, I take a break at 10.
Now lunchtime.
My favorite part of the day.
I knew it. I have lunch at 12.
I eat with my coworkers.
I order food.
I bring food from home.
What do you eat at work?
Snacks.
Only snacks?
Yes, my lunch is air.
Please eat real food.
Okay.
After work, you can say,
I finish work at 5.
I go home,
I relax.
I watch TV,
I cook dinner.
I go to the gym.
Wait, do you go to the gym?
No, but it sounds healthy.
English can make us sound healthy.
How is your workday?
It is busy.
What time do you start work?
I start at 8 a.m.
What do you do in the morning?
I check emails and talk to customers.
Do you have meetings?
Yes, I have a meeting at 10.
Do you take a break?
Yes, I take a break and drink coffee.
What time do you have lunch?
I have lunch at 12.
Do you eat with coworkers?
Yes, sometimes.
What do you do in the afternoon?
I work on projects and finish tasks.
What time do you finish?
I finish at 5 p.m.
What do you do after work?
I go home and relax.
Nice. Let's learn more easy work vocabulary.
Yes, more words so you sound smart at work.
First word, coworker.
Your coworker is the person you work with.
Next word, manager.
Your manager is your boss.
A nice, friendly boss, hopefully.
Yes, hopefully. If not, run.
Don't run, but maybe drink coffee.
Coffee solves many problems.
I have a schedule.
I follow my schedule.
I have a deadline.
I finish my work before the deadline.
I work the morning shift.
I work the night shift.
I work overtime.
I work too much.
Yes, too much overtime.
I want overtime pay.
Me too. Let's do a simple story.
A fun story. Easy English.
Listen and try to imagine the story. I wake up at 6:30 a.m.
I am tired. Very tired.
I take a shower and eat breakfast.
I eat 2 eggs. I feel strong.
I go to work by motorbike.
The traffic is crazy.
I arrive at the office at 8 a.m.
I check my emails.
I have a meeting at 9.
The meeting is long. Very long.
I drink coffee.
I drink more coffee.
At 12, I eat lunch.
I eat chicken and rice. Delicious.
In the afternoon, I finish my tasks.
I write a report.
I talk to my manager.
My manager gives me more work.
At 5 p.m., I finish work.
I go home and relax.
What time do I wake up?
6:30 a.m.
What time is the meeting?
9 a.m.
What do I eat for lunch?
Chicken and rice.
When do I finish work?
5 p.m.
Now it's your turn to practice.
We will ask questions. You answer.
Speak out loud.
Don't be shy. Your dog can't judge your English.
Yes. What time do you wake up? How do you go to work? What do you do in the morning? Do you take a break at work? What do you eat for lunch? What time do you finish work? I start work at.
Repeat. I start work at.
I talk to customers.
Repeat. I talk to customers.
I take a break.
Repeat. I take a break.
I go home at 5.
Repeat. I go home at 5.
Time for a quiz.
Yes, a fun quiz.
I say a sentence. You say true or false.
Are you ready? Let's go.
I wake up at midnight.
True or false?
False. Unless you are a vampire.
Or night shift worker?
I eat lunch at 12.
True or false?
True. Do you take a break at work? What do you eat for lunch? What time do you finish work? I start work at 3 a.m.
True or false?
False. Too late. I go to work by dragon.
True or false?
False, but cool. Let's review everything.
You can repeat after us.
I wake up at 7.
I take a shower.
I go to work by bus.
I start work at 8.
I check emails.
I have a meeting.
I eat lunch at 12.
I finish work at 5.
I go home and relax. Great job! You finished part 2.
Yes! Now your workday English is much better.
Use these sentences every day.
And tell us in the comments, what time do you start work?
And do you drink coffee?
I need to know.
Thank you for listening.
See you next time.
Bye!
Bye-bye.